Dior saddlebag and waist bag. No doubt the Dior saddlebag return had been epic. It's now becoming the iconic bag of the house and everyone is chasing it. The saddlebag comes in different shapes and style though. The latest one is the Dior saddlebag, but it's also a waist bag or both. One bag to rule them all. This Dior saddlebag designed in single color is an amazing shoulder bag that comes with a D for Dior logo. What's even more exciting is the multiple way of carrying. It's a walk featuring one main compartment in the center. The long shoulder strap is perfect even for crossbody and it can be removed. In the back, there is an option to carry this beautiful piece as a waist bag as well.